Complex Medical Expert (CME) is a new universal mobile diagnostic system helping physicians with their decision-making, choosing correct treatment or therapy according to each patient's individual needs. Complex Medical Expert was designed for use in medical institutions as well as in field conditions. CME is used for the following: diagnostics of clinical pathologies and choosing further treatments, diagnostics of early pathologies and their preventions, diagnostics of stress, toxins, and depression with the purpose of taking decisive preventive measures. As a diagnostic tool, CME is unsurpassed in its accuracy. CME examination usually reveals a wide spectrum of early pathologies, diseases, and predispositions to them, as well as medical history, reasons, conditions of acquiring a particular health problem. During an examination, all organ systems are simultaneously tested and compared to the knowledge database of CME, thus revealing abnormalities with pinpoint accuracy. The important feature of CME is a detection of preclinical forms of diseases. It allows physicians to carry out preventive measures. Application of CME: significant time reduction in examination and treatment, promotion of preventive measures in various conditions, efficiency of treatment with accurate prescription of medical remedies. Application of a newly discovered detection methods. CME uses conceptually new approach of the passive detection with the state-of-the-art hardware and software. It allows obtaining and processing of data from any object without interfering with its vital processes. CME and its reverse sensor. A unique CME sensor operates with spin energy flows, transforming it into electromagnetic signals. The electromagnetic field emits less than 5 microwatts with efficiency factor about 30%. It is necessary to underline a basic distinction of CME from other devices. There are two types of devices. First is active radar detection. Devices send signals and influence the energy fields of an object. And the second is the passive detection, with device sending no signals but analyzing what's coming in from an object. CME processor works with electromagnetic thermodynamic signals with the frequency range from 0.001 Hz to up to 386 GHz. A new detection method using specialized hardware based on the principle of wavelet transformation for medical purposes. Wavelets are mathematical functions that cut up data into different frequency components and then study each component with a resolution matched to its scale. All devices working with wave technologies can be divided into active and passive. Active devices influence objects by sending energy waves into their surroundings. CME is a passive detection device that dynamically analyzes objects' own energy emissions. So far, it has no analogies in the world of medical diagnostic technology. One of the basic differences of CME technology is converting electromagnetic thermal signals into dynamical spectra images, thus analyzing physical, biological, and chemical states of an organism or object. The main difference of wavelet transformation in comparison with other types of spectra analysis is the quantitative representation of previously neglected seemingly chaotic components related to the phase characteristics describing a state of an object. Using wavelet transformation and wavelet approach technology, CME guarantees essentially new levels of accuracy that were previously impossible. CME realizes a concept of doctor's assistant. CME program interface and knowledge database only assist physicians and does not make decisions on its own. Thus, any automatic steps are excluded during the patient evaluation. Only a trained doctor and not the device itself could make an educated, informed decision involving patient's health and well-being. Ongoing development and improvement of CME as a new medical technology. Constant feedback and informational database growing result in accumulation of cooperative database knowledge, software improvement as well as improvement of diagnostic quality and treatment. Ongoing development is essential and is accompanied by accumulation of new so-called markers, spectra images, markers to be used for comparison by CME during evaluations. CME is also an integration of Western and Eastern traditional and alternative diagnostic techniques and treatments. CME device uses only naturally occurring energy waves of a patient's body. It does not emit any waves of its own, as is the case with ultrasonic MRI imaging computer tomography. CME is designed for use in virtually any conditions and environments. CME Doctor's Assistant and all equipment related to CME was thoroughly tested and has passed certification by many medical and scientific institutions.